Hi, welcome to my presentation. Before we get into the main topic, I will introduce myself first. My name is Henyu I am a student from Mary Curie High School. And today we're going to talk about the future of food from the perspective of sustainable food consumption, which is an environmentally related topic and is also affect to our future lives. Food. Sustainable food can be really in various way as crops and meat like plant-based meat. So from that we can conclude that sustainable food are type of foods that are grown or raised in a manner that limits the negative impact on the environment and the communities that produce them, and is environmentally friendly, and it minimizes greenhouse gas emissions and use resources as sustainably as possible. What are sustainable food? So we will go through some examples for sustainable food, which are 1. Grass-fed beef and lambs, and the secondly is oats, which is used in cereals or British breakfast if you can see on the movies. And the third one is local fruit and vegetable, really common in our daily lives. And the fourth is mussels and other bivalves. The fifth one is pulses. It's really kind of common in our society today. And the sixth is seaweed, pretty common too. And the seventh, Venetians. This is kind of new to us. It is like deer meat and stuff. And the last one is waste food, last but not least. So we're going through the second part, the importance of sustainable food. Why is sustainable food important? First, it conserves energy. Second, it reduces harm to humans and animals. 3, it limits monoculture and add more additional benefits that we don't know. So we're gonna go through 3 main purpose why it is important. First, energy conserving. Like we know, standard agricultural practice takes a lot of fossil fuel and it contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. Why? Because it needs to transfer food from this country to another. So to solve that, which is contradicts on the other hand, sustainable practice is emphasizing farming methods that take advantage of alternative energy source. And also it focuses on reducing pollution and optimizing efficiency to use less water, fuel, and land. So we're gonna go through 3 main purpose why it is important. First, energy conserving. Like we know, standard agricultural practice takes a lot of fossil fuel and it contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. Why? Because it needs to transfer food from this country to another. So to solve that, which is contradicts on the other hand, sustainable practice is emphasizing farming methods that take advantage of alternative energy source. And also it focuses on reducing pollution and optimizing efficiency to use less water, fuel, and land. Last but not least, it limits the monoculture. What is monoculture? Monoculture is like we plant the same crop on the same field for years and years, so it make the soil go weaken, and it's easier to be erodes. Like so, industrial monoculture farming increase greenhouse emissions and harm wildlife, and it leads to decreasing number of important birds, insects, and fish. That's cause we call that extinctions. To solve that, sustainable agriculture promotes farming methods that embrace diverse crops to have the soil, but also to have the air and our planet too. And the last part, the main topic of today, the future of food from the perspective of sustainable food consumption. So, in the near future, sustainable food system will develop in the Europe, especially in the UK and France, because they are like farming regions, just like Asia. And this has the foundation of using sustainable food in their everyday meals. And being an agricultural region, they may consider changing their farming methods from traditional farming method to sustainable farming to reduce greenhouse emission to the environment, and also to change the soil, like it doesn't erode. Thank you for listening to my presentation.